In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model this pet bowl mesh with a bevel modifier. There is a Ctrl+B shortcut to apply bevel to a mesh. But this is a destructive tool. Meaning, once we apply it, the mesh cannot come back to its original state. We can apply the bevel after selecting a single or multiple faces. Let's scale and extrude the top face inward, to create a simple pet bowl mesh. The biggest advantage of the bevel modifier is how it is completely non-destructive. Meaning, we can always remove or disable the bevel modifier to go back to the original mesh. We can also use the vertex group limit method to apply the bevel only on certain faces of the mesh. For this mesh, we need to select the circular faces, and extrude inward, in order to create sharp surrounding edges. I'll set up the render scene, and apply new materials. For the ground material, I'll use the noise texture method. Let's use the sky texture. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.